Hey, that looks a little better. The 1085. The hydraulic control valve on this thing is terrible. One outlet is okay, the other one's it's no good. I'm hoping that that's the problem because I rebuilt both the main hydraulic pump and the auxiliary. They seem to work fine, but yeah, and then there's 1100. That's another story. Yeah. Anyway, that's a factory valve that I just had mounted on a post for now. And yeah, I've had another valve for quite a while. Went and found Summit Hydraulics. Found their valve. It'll flow 10 gallon a minute, and it has a detent on both ports. So I'm gonna give this valve a whirl. See if I can get it plumbed up. See what it makes a difference. Alright, after robbing some parts off of that frickin' thing, I noticed that that one down there, and robbed some fittings off of the front port side of there. Hopefully that don't have to go back on. I don't like it. But there's this line. Hope it's a drain. Goes into the top of the case over there. It shouldn't be important. I think it'll be fine. We'll just leave it there. It'll be alright. But a little bit of I wanted to put 2 short ones in front, but they're so close together you can't spin the damn things on. It would help if you get it in the picture. And the 2 long ones in the back, it would make more sense, wouldn't it? But no, I can't do that. They're too damn close together. Way to go. But this should work. It might work. Yeah, it'll be fine. And hook the other lines up. And this one don't have a port drain on it. Just this relief thing. Oh well. Plug all the lines together and see what happens. I think that one was relief setting for bypass. Shit, I don't remember. Here's what I come up with real quick. Rooted through my junk pile. For some reason this line is too short, so found a piece of tube there and found just cobbled a whole bunch of junk together and moved the somewhat mount up to, yeah, now if it works, we'll be set. See how things go here. I don't know. Boy, let me tell you, if you have any problems with that hydraulic valve, throw that fracking thing out. Get you another one. Put that right there in the recycle bin. Get you a new one. Can't get parts for that obsolete thing anyway. Don't want no parts. I was right on that. That line it's just a drain line for something or other. I don't know. We'll have to cap that thing off. But yeah, that's a beautiful work of art. Works better than new. Alright, the 1100. Well, to say I was bummed out, that would be a understatement about the pieces that I found in the transmission. I don't know what I did with them. They're down here. These pieces, come on. I think they are a thrust washer that'll go in. Transmission is here, and back here on this tractor is high-low range set of gears. I think that's where this come out of anyway. So it'll need to be fixed. That's something that it's not extra. So in order to fix it, to split the tractor right there, and I can't split it right here. I just can't.
that, and I got to thinking there's too many other unknowns. I mean, you can start front to back. The only thing I know is right there, the engine runs. That's it. I don't even know if the cooling system will work. It'll need a radiator, a water pump, you know, and the list goes on and on and on and on about all the things I don't know about this. So, long-winded rambling on about, as I'm making this video, I have ordered some parts. Some came in. I'm still waiting on a few. So, I have made some hard tubing lines. And I bought some other parts so I can get it put together enough to run it and find out more things. Find out if the transmission shifts, if I have hydraulics, if I have, you know, and then hopefully not procrastinate too long and get the other stuff fixed on it. So I'll get back to work on this, and then hopefully on that, the 165.